Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a bunch of character arts for Faceless NPCs by Yamato-kun, a pack of 24 fruit icons by Admirin, and in plugin releases for today, Moghunter and his plugins are back. Same terms, different website. An MV and MZ plugin by Hackwen Studio that allows us to assign class, levels, experience, and equipment to enemies. Another plugin by Monokura that displays additional parameters and character stats on the status scene. Next, we have a tool by Phoenix Kagedis that encrypts MV and MZ plugins in your deployed project by combining them all into a single JavaScript file. And for our last news, we have some isometric tiles or geometric shapes by Cosmo Mizrael Gorinich. I tested these out in a small scene. That's all. No more news for you for today. So go back to game making.